Dang, that's the highest up one I've ever seen. They put that thing up there where you can't even read it. How are you supposed to read the rules up there?
I can't either. That's the whole point.
It's a 1993. 1993, nice.
Hey, where you guys from?
Earth?
Earth who?
All over. I travel all over.
But what are you doing inside the post office?
Oh, we're taking pictures.
Why?
We were checking out the rules and regulations on poster 7, where it states for news purposes that we have the right
I
to.
need you to stop right now, because you can't take pictures inside. the
Ma'am,
post
please don't
office.
touch him.
I didn't touch him.
He's-
And I'm not gonna touch you either.
Okay, well, you
But I
almost
need you
touched
to
him
stop.
just now.
I need you to stop right now until I get somebody out here. You cannot take pictures.
Please
in
call the
post office.
contact the postmaster for me
The
before.
postmaster's not in the building.
Okay, well, contact someone to educate yourself before you make a mistake, ma'am.
I'm
Please.
not making a mistake.
You are.
I know what the postal.
You just
rules
raised
are.
your voice at me,
I know you can do it outside.
ma'am. You're
but
being
not
disorderly.
inside.
Are you
I'm not
drunk? You just
disorderly.
almost fell over.
Do I look drunk?
Almost. You yelled at me and you stumbled just now. No, no.
Okay, all
I don't go to video while
right.
I'm
I need
intoxicated.
you to stop. Else I'm gonna have to call the police.
Okay, that's
Okay, I
fine.
need you to stop.
Contact them, please. They will come and educate you that this is completely legal.
Step back. Step back. I'm about to shut the gate until somebody comes up here.
This is,
Step back, sir. Step back, sir.
ma'am, don't touch people.
I need you guys to step back. So I can get, because I got to shut this gate until I can get someone up here to talk to you guys.
You're gonna close this business? I'm trying to, I haven't even got to.
Shut the gate.
I'm here to purchase stamps. You're acting crazy, lady.
Purchase stamps. Come up and purchase your stamps.
Oh, so I'm allowed to purchase stamps now?
Yes, you can.
Are you gonna, so you're not gonna close the gate on us?
Because you're doing
Okay.
something that I can't allow you to do.
You
until I
can.
Get somebody up here.
Please go look at poster 7 under photographs. Please, educate yourself on the rules in this building before you yell at people.
We're allowed to do this.
Don't freak out, guys. She's wrong, I promise. She's gonna call the sheriffs. They're gonna come and tell her that he can't do nothing. We do this every day.
I just want to get my crap nailed. I ain't interested in that now.
Hey, these ladies behind the counter seem like they got a good sense of humor. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. That's what we want to see is smiling faces.
This lady went nuts.
Yeah, she almost fell over. Did you see her? She stumbled to the side. Did you see her? Did you see her stumble? Like she kind of like went like that a little bit. And so, ma'am, listen. It says in your postal, the way that the post office works is the gift cards are in the lobby. Okay. All Hallmark and greeting cards are supposed to be stored in the lobby, and it states on poster 7 under photographs that we're allowed to take pictures in the lobby, foyers, and corridors.
Okay, just wait. I'm going to get somebody up here to assist you. Just wait.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Was there another person that I could get some stamps?
If you get in line, yes. She can get,
I mean, that's where I'm at, right?
she can get you some stamps. You got a supervisor right now? Tell me he needs to come up here. Go get somebody.
You'd be better off just calling the police so they can come and educate you, ma'am. For just taking pictures, we're not doing nothing wrong. Yeah, it's a public area. You are correct, ma'am. You're correct. This is a public area. We could take pictures anywhere from public. This is not a public area? You know how much federal taxes that this place gets funded by? And yeah, so anything that's federally or publicly taxed, anything that pulls federal or public tax opens it up to public. That's why you're allowed to come in here right now, you know? Yeah, but we're allowed to do this, I promise, brother. Don't join in on our escapade.
Yeah, 35, 15, but it's
How you doing, love? I'm just trying to get a book of stamps, please.
Are the flags okay for you?
Do you have anything other than the flags? I already got a book of those.
Okay. What about the Purple Hearts?
Beautiful.
guys do my height right now.
I want to know the so I don't know how much. Everything else for you.
And that's gonna be it, love.
All right, $11 even.
I can't believe that lady trying to go hands-on with you. And like only him. Why only him, you know?
Would you like any cash tags?
No, thank you. Please remove card code. There we go. Contribute to my nation.
Here's your receipt, survey at the bottom. And here you go.
Check out News Now Ninja on YouTube. It's live right now. She did a good job. These ladies did a great job. All right, y'all. So back to conducting my business here. We have the boxes. We have tape, gift boxes. This is the Hallmark cards area. If you need to send a loved one or someone something cool. Yeah, everybody.
Hey, how you doing, sir?
Blessed, how are you?
Yeah. Any reason why you're taking videos?
Oh, of course, yeah. Of course. I like to always document my public officials in the course of their duty.
Hey, Joe, people document.
Tell them to look up Picture 7 under photographs for news purposes. It's your rules and regulations. You can't read it because y'all got it so high up on the wall.
Yeah, no.
But it says it under photographs that we may take photos in public lobbies, foyers, and corridors for news purposes. This is education for fun and free, guys. I'm just here to help y'all learn a little something today. Hopefully they educate you that we're allowed.
They're not like
No. We're respectful. Yeah, they're public employees, ma'am. Education time.
Education time, thank you.
Thank you for that. Education. This is education right here.
It just it does like it was already 30-something, and then by the side of the box, like it just sit on.
It ain't about a big lot, really. I don't think that's a big lot.
I don't, but yeah, that's.
What do they call it?
This is the education huddle, guys. Ask and you shall receive an education.
Boom, there you go.
Thank you, guys. Thank you for that.
See how easy that was?
Awesome.
You ladies have a great day.
Y'all have a blessed day. Now that we got the education passed along, we can move forward and it won't happen again next time.